It's all you. Put the bolts on.
Oh yeah, what a good job.
Good girl.
Are you going to work in the garage when you're older?
Yep.
You like changing tires?
Yep.
Go to your next one.
Like that.
It's a car.
Yeah. Me too.
Here. Whenever it gets too tight, you switch to the next one, baby.
Take me.
You're getting pretty fast at that. Can you take it off?
Yep.
You want help?
No.
Okay.
No hope.
Wrong way. There you go. Do you like this line of work?
No hope.
Are you done?
No. Yeah.
All done? Good girl.
I'm fine.
All done?
I'm fine.
No, you're all done, baby.
Oh yeah.
Alright. All done. Now come here.